Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to deactivate Messenger and Facebook account. The first thing you do is open up your Messenger, tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open up this page, then tap on your gear icon to open up your settings. Scroll all the way down to Account Center, tap on Account Center, then tap on Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then you tap on Deactivate or Deletion. Now you have to select what you like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. Let's say I want to do this one, second account. Now the first option is to deactivate, second one to delete. Now if you deactivate is temporal, preferably active and your name and photos be removed from most things you've shared on Facebook. If you want to deactivate, tap on Continue. Then you enter your password, tap on Continue, give your reason for the activation, and that's it. Then you can go back and do the same to your second account, many accounts as you want. It's as simple as that.